Enter the username and password sent to you via SMS from the bus office. Tap Login. Tick all the inspection tasks once done. Tap Proceed. Tap Allow. Tap Allow while using app. Tap Continue. This is your job list. You can see which bus you are assigned to and the date and time of your trip. This is your trip status. It shows if your trips are completed, in progress, or not started. Tap on an in-progress trip to go to the pickup attendance list. This is the pickup attendance list. This tells you the total number of students on the bus. It also shows you how many students you picked up. To take attendance, simply tap on the circle. It will turn green when you tap it. Scroll down to see the absence list. These students are not taking the bus. If they are present, call the bus office. You can also tap the student card on the back of your phone to take attendance. Tap OK. Tap to on. Tap the card behind your phone to take attendance. When the students have reached school, drop them off. Tap here to drop off all students. This is the drop-off attendance list. This shows the bus stop and how many riders are at this stop. Gray means picked up, but not yet dropped off. Blue means dropped off. Green means picked up. Gray means picked up, but not yet dropped off. Blue means dropped off. Scroll down to find the End Trip button. Tap End Trip to scan the QR code on the back of the bus. Tap while using the app. Scan the QR code behind the bus. Scanning complete. If there is an accident, you can use the SOS button. Double tap to activate the SOS signal. This will notify the bus office immediately so they can help you. You will know your SOS was sent successfully when you see this. Report student misbehavior by tapping on their picture. Tap the yellow button to see the menu. Select the student's misbehavior. Once done, tap the Report button. Your report is successful once you see this. The bus office will be notified of the report. Close the app by tapping this. Then tap Close All. Swipe up.